In today's session, we will learn International Place Value Chart. Observe the slide, children. International Place Value Chart. What we observe here is, we observe three periods here. That is ones period, thousands period and millions period. And in each periods there are three digits. In ones period we have three digits. In thousands period we have three digits. And in millions period we have three digits. In ones period we have ones, tens, hundred. In thousands period we have thousands, 10,000, 100,000. In millions period we have millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Each periods are separated with comma. Now look at this slide. International Place Value Chart. Now consider two numbers. The first one has 6 digits. We'll place it in Place Value Chart and see how we have to read this. Now 702, how you will read 702? We will read it as 702,845. So this is the way to read the 6-digit number in International Place Value Chart. Look at the second number. The second number has 9 digits. 3 digits in each period. Now look at the number. We'll place it in Place Value Chart and we'll read it easily. 360. How you will read 360? We will read it as 360. It is in which period? Millions. So we will read it as 360 millions. Then in the next period we have 400. So we will read it as 400,000. Then in the last one we have 295. We will read it as 295. So altogether how we will read is 360 millions, 400,000, 295. Now we will read the following numbers. First one has 6 digits. So we will read it as 346,800. Now the second one, it has 9 digits. And how to read this is, we will read it as 809 millions, 789 thousands and 2. The third one has 7 digits. So we will read it as 6,089,705. The fourth one has 9 digits. We will read it as 589 millions. Now the last one, this number also has 9 digits. So we will read it as 285 millions, 600,000 and 705. Now we will write this 9-digit number both in Indo-Arabic system as well as in international system. When we are writing this 9-digit number in Indo-Arabic system, we are having 4 periods. In the first period we have 3 digits. In the second one we have 2. In the third again 2. In the fourth we have 2. But here in international system we are having only 3 periods and there are 3 digits in each period. So first let us read the number in Indo-Arabic system. We will read this number as 76 crores 85 lakhs 48,106. Same number we will read it now in international system. In international system we will read it as 768 millions 548,106. And the homework for today is you have to write the following numbers in international place value system. You have to write it in words. The first one is 345,678. Second one is 236 millions 450,678. Third one is 25,400,001. And the last one is 8 millions. So this all for today. See you tomorrow for the next session. Thank you.